Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can see friend request you sent on Roblox. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search for Roblox. Click on Roblox, click on three dots in the right bottom and click on friends. So here you can see an option of this icon. Click on that and then you simply need to search for the person to whom you send a request. So like suppose this, and from here you can see the pending request. So this is the only method possible, and if you click on here you can connect with your friends, but you simply need to search for the person name here, and you can see the pending request like this. Here you can see that. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.